Hey guys, what up? Today I'm here at Meeks Park. As you can see behind me, it's a nice big park. And I'm here for Mad Hatter's Tea Party. And if most of you know, the Mad Hatter is from Alice in Wonderland. So I'm hanging out here at the park doing a little video and while they're sipping tea and eating sweets. You know, this place is pretty nice, I have to admit. This is a nice big park. They also have like the Meek Estate here, or mansion, however you want to call it. And I guess at one point this was like a working farm, whatever it was. And they did cherries here. That's pretty cool. Now it's a park with the house still sitting here, and like one of the buildings still remain with some of the tools that they use to plow the land and stuff like that. But yeah, you know, people come out here to picnic. I mean, the wind is blowing really nice, and you can see the park. See behind me. I mean, that's a lot of park. It is pretty big. And then over in that area, see like the play structure and stuff like that. So this is huge. And I think they're in the process of doing something else out here, building another building, maybe a community center or something like that. I'm not sure, because I don't live in this area, so it's like my second time here. But each time I came, first time I came, I enjoyed it. This time I enjoyed it. You know, I took a few shots, a few pictures that I want to share with you guys. It was just the idea of how nice this place is. And I hope you guys enjoy the pictures just as much as I enjoy it. You know, you just have to sometimes just sit back and just take in some of the beauty of this place, which is pretty awesome. It's quiet, you know. You hear the wind, you hear the squirrels. You know, people do all kinds of things right here. There's some guy here doing art, using spray cans. But I mean, you can do a lot of stuff here, and it's nice and private. From what I understand, you can bring dogs out here, but you can't have them off the leash. And we were really seriously thinking about bringing my dude out here. But with him, he likes to roam, so we would have to let him off the leash and just let him go. But let him just run free for a while, just get all that energy out of him. Because he will not sit still. He is not one of those dogs who just lay there. He wants to be doing something. But you know, as people are starting to pile in now, see if I can go back over to the tea party and let you guys see how it's all shaping up. See you soon. Alright guys, I want to thank you guys for watching and enjoying this video today. So I want to share my day with you guys at the Mad Hatter's Tea Party. And as you can see, there's a few other things that were happening out here. Quinceanera, I think that's how you pronounce it. And you see some pretty cool outfits. And then they had like 3 different groups out here doing the same thing, and they all were bidding for the same place. It's next to the manor over here. And some of the dresses were pretty awesome, and some of the girls looked pretty good in those dresses because they matched them up. And I think some of them also had the same costume, because some of them came out the same color, the same theme, and everything. So guys, this is Gary with Eating with the Dudes. You know, as always, comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll be chatting with you guys later. Deuces. Bye now.